for all those of you listening at home. Let's take a walk down memory lane.
Remember the days we set out together with faith. Remember the times so fine when we thought nothing could stand in our way.
Then things weren't the same. The life that we knew had to change.
We struggled through the darkest storms we thought we couldn't take.
Through many years gone by, we've moved ahead together. We've built a brave new world where we could shine and grow.
Oh, and now we only have to look towards tomorrow to carry on the dream as far as it will go.
So now we look around us and we see
Ooh, a nation built with love by you and me.
A land to treasure right down to the core. Our home, our heart, our Singapore. Our home, our heart, our Singapore.
To my people of the future,
We built it for the ones that dream. Hand in hand, we'll make our land.
our home, the place to be. From young to go, our stories unfold.
Moments like these will speak. Words that last forever. Worlds that come together to show that we're all the same. We'll break the chains to make a change. Burn bright, our Lion City flame.
And amazing as it seems, it all started with a dream.
But the dreaming isn't done, 'cause the best is yet to come.
Deep in my heart, I just know right from the start we will grow. Look where we are, we've come so far, and there's still a long, long way to go. With all of my heart, I will care. I'll play my part, I will share with family and friends. Together we'll stand.